I like you better if wala kang ngipin. Lahat.
Games naman.
Ako talaga.
Ikaw.
I like you better if magkadikit-dikit mo.
I like you better pag malaki butas ng ilong mo.
I like you better if parang sasagad yung cheeks mo.
I like you better pag makapal yung lipstick mo.
Okay. I like you better if pa-heart yung lips mo.
I like you better pag yung eyeshadow mo ay color black.
I like you better if sobrang kapal ng eyeliner mo and sobrang haba.
I like you better pag super puti ng mukha mo.
I like you better if nakasulat dito yung second name mo.
I like you better pag wala kang kilay.
I like you better if nakaganon yung buhok mo dalawa, pasyaw-syaw.
I like you better kung yung blush on mo ay color black.
I like you better if may mawil ka dito kabilaan malaki.
I like you better kung makapal yung nose contour mo.
I like you better if may balbas ka dito.
I like you better kung wala kang ngipin dito, dalawa.
I like you better if wala kang ngipin. Lahat.
I like you better kung makapal yung eye bags mo.
I like you better if black yung contour mo sa buong mukha mo.
I like you better kung naka-ponytail ka na super taas.
But I like you better if may whiskers ka na parang pusa.
I like you better kung may mga wrinkles ka dito sa forehead.
I like you better if may sobrang laking freckles ka sa noo at sa buong mukha mo.
I like you better kung meron kang balbas.
I like you better if may pimple ka dito na sobrang laki. Tapos color red.
I like you better kung yung may yung smile lines mo pag ganun, then color red.
I like you better if nakatali yung bangus mo ganun.
I like you better kung makapal yung mo dito, contour mo sa jawline.
I like you better if sobrang puti ng mo dito. Eye bags.
Okay na yan.
I think I like you better now.
Yeah, I like you better now. Yeah, you look so good. It's so fine, shine. It's giving. Yeah.